Hello! Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to sign this in sign languages around the world.
Every day's a gift, wrapped in light, hope and dreams, taking flight, living in the present, future's bright, together we shine, hearts ignite, memories we make, stories we tell, in this dance of life we dwell, through the ups and downs, all